What a year it has been. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 12 essential lessons plus one more for the women out here that I have learned during my medical internship. As we reflect on the whirlwind of experiences, let's dive into these key insights that have shaped my journey and will hopefully guide yours too. Patient care comes first. Throughout our internship, we are entrusted with the well-being of our patients. It is not just about administrating medications or treatments, it's about creating a compassionate environment where patient feels valued and understood. This means taking the time to listen to their concerns, involving them in decision making, and providing emotional support alongside medical care. As we do that, we need to respect ourselves too. In the fast-paced world of healthcare, it's crucial to uphold respect, starting with ourselves. Standing up against disrespectful behavior fosters a culture of mutual respect and professionalism. Remember, you are an integral part of the healthcare team and your contributions deserve recognition and respect. Setting boundaries and asserting yourself when necessary is key to maintaining a healthy work environment. Never stop learning. Internship is the ultimate learning experience. Each day presents new opportunities to expand our medical knowledge and clinical skills. Whether it's learning from patient cases, attending seminars, or seeking feedback from our mentors, embracing a lifelong learning mindset is essential for professional growth. Taking advantage of every opportunity to enhance your skills and knowledge, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Despite our best efforts, we are bound to encounter situations where we need guidance. Seeking help from the experienced colleagues fosters a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement. Remember, asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of strength and commitment to providing the best possible care for our patients. Don't hesitate to reach out to your seniors or your fellow interns or even the nursing staff whenever you encounter challenges or uncertainties. Embrace mistakes and learn from them. Mistakes are inevitable, but they also offer valuable learning opportunities. Instead of dwelling on failures, use them as a stepping stone for growth and improvement. Reflect on what went wrong, identify areas for improvement, and develop strategies to prevent similar mistakes in the future. Remember, every mistake is an opportunity to become a better healthcare professional. Prioritize self-care. Balancing the demands of internship with personal well-being is a challenge many of us face. Long hours, high stress levels, and emotional intensity can take a toll on our physical and mental health. That's why it's essential to prioritize self-care practices such as mindfulness, exercise, and hobbies, making time for activities that recharge our batteries and help us maintain a healthy work-life balance. Enjoy time with friends. Amidst the chaos of internship, nurturing friendships and support system is essential. Building strong relationships with your fellow interns not only enhances teamwork and collaboration, but also provides much-needed emotional support during challenging times. Whether it's grabbing a coffee after a long shift or organizing a study group, make time to connect with your peers and enjoy the journey together. Taking regular breaks. Taking breaks isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for maintaining focus and productivity. Working long hours without adequate rest can lead to burnout and exhaustion, ultimately compromising patient care. Incorporating regular breaks into your schedule allows you to recharge and return to your work with renewed energy and focus. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential for your well-being and the well-being of our patients. Advocate for your patients. It's our responsibility to ensure the patient receives the best care. This means speaking up for their needs, concern, and rights even in the face of challenges and opposition. Whether it's advocating for access to necessary treatments, addressing disparity in care, or ensuring informed consent, advocating for your patient is a fundamental aspect of being a healthcare professional. Prioritize your health. As healthcare providers, it's easy to neglect our own health while caring for others. However, prioritizing your health is essential for providing quality care and preventing burnout. Make time for regular checkups, screening, and preventive care measures to ensure you're in optimal health. Be aware of exploitation. Unfortunately, the healthcare field isn't immune to exploitation. Whether it's being asked to work beyond your limits, being subjected to harassment and discrimination, or facing unequal treatment, it's essential to recognize and address the instances of exploitation. Know your rights, set boundaries, and don't hesitate to speak up if you feel your well-being or professional integrity is being compromised. Learn to say no. Saying no is a boundary-setting skill essential for maintaining work-life balance and preventing burnout. It's okay to decline tasks or commitments that exceed your capacity or compromises your well-being. Learning to assertively say no allows you to prioritize your time, energy, and resources effectively, ultimately enhancing your overall productivity and satisfaction. Dealing with unwanted attention. For my fellow female medicos out here, navigating unwanted advances and harassments can be distressing reality. Whether it's inappropriate comments, unwelcome overcome advances or coercion, it's essential to recognize and address instances of harassment. Set clear boundaries and seek support from your trusted colleagues or mentors. Remember, you have the right to work in a safe and respectful environment free from harassment or discrimination. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the essential lessons of medical internship. By embracing these insights and learning from our experiences, we can navigate the challenges of internship with confidence, compassion, and resilience. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this video, and if you found this video helpful and relatable in any way, then give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I will see you guys soon in another video. Until then, bye, take care, and have a good day. Bye.